In this video, I will show you how to create QR attendance with Google Forms and Sheets. So open your browser, then search for Google Form. Click here, and then you need to sign in. After signing in, you will find an interface like this. From here, click on blank form, or you can use any template. Just clicking on blank form. So here you can edit the form. You can make a form as you wish. So after the customization, click on publish. Then click on publish. Then you will find a link, copy responder link. Copy it and then use any free QR code converter app or website. Then you will find a QR code and you just need to share the QR code. I hope you got it. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.